Model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro 29001.6 CDTIBT, 120, S Eco L1H1 still can be driven fine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 163687. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Engine is 100%. Still drives fine. Fourth gear won't engage but rest of the gears work completely fine. Clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.